Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a team on Canva. To create a team in Canva and collaborate with others, launch open the Canva application on your mobile device or your desktop. Now once you're inside the home page, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner and then click on your username at the top. Now click the settings button from the list and then click on the Teams option from the menu. Now click on Create a new team. Enter the name for your team on the next page and click on Create New Team button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new team. You can now invite members to your team. Simply go to the top left corner and tap the menu button and select your username from the list. Now once you select one of the teams that you've created, go ahead and tap on the Invite Members button. Enter the email address of the person you are trying to invite and click on Start My Team's free trial button and follow the prompts. Right after you do that, you will then be able to create a new team and invite people on your team. After creating a team, you can share access to designs and templates, collaborate in real time. Pro users can also access additional team tools like a shared brand kit and folders. So that's how you create a team on Canva in just a couple of steps. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.